Hey my friends, this is Corey Lottery Man. It's known as, I'm a lottery man person, okay? And we are doing some doing the broadcasting here inside my car. So I'm gonna give you all the strategies you need to know. And we're changing up some now a little bit. We used to just do the numbers where we do 0 to 10 and stuff. We don't do that no more. We ain't doing that anymore. We found an even better way of doing stuff, a little more different strategy. And my favorite pick right now in this pick 3 number in Colorado Pick 3 lottery is 0. So you might have your own best favorite number. My favorite number is 0. And we don't play that like in the olden days, when you had front pair and back pair, and then you got this what you call not just front. Hey my friends, this is Corey Lottery Man. It's known as, I'm a lottery man person, okay? And we are doing some doing the broadcasting here inside my car. So I'm gonna give you all the strategies you need to know. And we're changing up some now a little bit. We used to just do the numbers where we do 0 to 10 and stuff. We don't do that no more. We ain't doing that anymore. We found an even better way of doing stuff, a little more different strategy. And my favorite pick right now in this pick 3 number in Colorado Pick 3 lottery is 0. So you might have your own best favorite number. My favorite number is 0. And we don't play that like in the olden days, when you had front pair and back pair, and then you got this what you call not just front, not just back. You got split pair. So we don't play in that kind of strategy now. Okay, so the best thing to do on that situation with this type of understanding strategy is to know how to do it. Okay, and my little situation is I looked at the Colorado situation with the numbers and how they put stuff together. And you might not kind of like look at this unorthodox. See that? Okay. Okay, let you look at it. Okay. Now, see, okay, what you do is here. They numbers, we look at the beginning from 0 to 9. Okay, 0 to 9 in the number. Since 0 is my favorite number, we say double 0 all the way to double 9. I looked up in Colorado, I seen double 0 came out 7 times. Then I also looked at 0-1 came out 12 times. 0-2 came out 11 times. 0-3 came out 9 times. 0-4 came out 14 times. 0-5 came out 8 times. 0-6 came out 9 times. 0-7 came out 10 times. And 0-8 came out 8 times. 0-9 came out 8 times. Okay, so make the rundown. And then we also looked at the numbers. So the ones that you've seen on here on this sheet have been scratched, have been already out. So we're making countdowns while we're looking at our numbers. So we already seen a 0-0 number came out, and we seen a 0-1 number came out. We seen a 0-2. Now we went into the calculation, but we didn't calculate every number that came out this one month. But 0-3 did come out this month, and okay. So we're in business right there. And then we have 0-9 that came out in this month. Okay. So what we didn't see anything from the 0-4 category, 0-5, 0-6, 0-7 category. Those are categories we didn't see. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, and 8. Right. The ones we do have check marks, then the ones we've seen. So it starts with 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4 we've seen, 0, 5, 0, 6, 0, 7, 0, 8. So those are the ones mostly. I'm looking at 0-4 because 0-4 is better, more calculated numbers. And then we look into the precincts of 0-4. We go to 0, have 0 been out. And have a 1 been out. Yep, 2, 3, 4. They see 3, 4. I think 2, 4. And 4, 5, 6, 7. I think we'll see 0, 4, 8. Haven't showed up yet. And 0, 4, 9 been out. So the only thing, you can put your hunches on if you want to, and you can say build it up. Let's say since the number we didn't see come up is 08. So 08 is the number that we didn't see come out. So you're gonna go with 048, and 048, and then you can twist those numbers around. But how many times you want to do it? You want to do the 5 arena or whatever. But if you want to just have a hunch and say, hey, you know something? Let's just go with majority right now. Let's just go with the 10 numbers of 04. Just don't take no risk on what the number might be, you know. But the good hunch here, we do see every number. We see a 0. We see a 1 here, 2 here, 3, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4. We see 5. We see 6. We see 7. We don't see no 8. We see 9. So we could just bam go with 048. I would just take the risk. You know, what's the hell? You know, win or lose, anywhere to go. And you go 048, 084. Then you take the number 04 and put them in the back. And say 804. And then you can turn that number around to 04084. And shit like that, you know. And then you can make another number out of it if you want to. And you put it for you. That's my sister back there who sneaking her head around with that mask on and all that stuff. But yeah, those are what I consider smart picking. You know what I'm saying? Because you think about it, 084 haven't showed up yet. That's the only number that's not been picked so far this year. And it's the only number I see in this auction number right now that's really could be really good. So with Colorado Pick3, their number 084 or 048. You know, I don't know predictable numbers. Actually, let's put this down here. And thank you for coming to this site. Thank you. And bless you. And you got your number for Colorado for this midday. 048. Thank you.